Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix live wallpaper not supported on a TikTok issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So first thing first, go ahead, open up your TikTok app, and afterwards we go to search bar, type in live wallpaper. Right, you have found a one and you wanted to make it your live wallpaper. Then what you have to do is you have to remember whether your device supports it or not. If your device does not support itself, then there is nothing you can do from TikTok itself. Your device has to go ahead and support it first, so make sure you check that. Once everything is done and your device supports itself, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your app first. And if you have updated it already, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on long press on it and reinstall the app by uninstalling it. Once you reinstall, you're going to go to the live wallpaper available, and you're going to go ahead and then you're going to set it as a wallpaper. It should work out, but as I mentioned, the main important thing is your device to support it, and make sure you do it for both your lock screen and the home screen, so it can be available for both of the screens. And that's what you're gonna do. And it should help you out. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.